Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to convert your Facebook account to Facebook page. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first open up your Facebook account. Then go to Profile. As you can see, I got 173 friends, and this will convert to 173 followers when we convert to Facebook page. So go to this three dot and select Turn on Professional Mode. Then we need to tap Turn on. Then press Continue. So after this, when we go to our profile again, it shows I have 173 follows. So this is how you can convert your Facebook account to Facebook page. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be facing similar issues. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.